Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 9.1. In the diagram, P, Q, R, S is a cyclic quad. PS is produced to W, means PW is a straight line. Then TR, and TS are tangents to the circle at R and S respectively. And then angle T is 78 degrees and angle Q is 93 degrees. Give a reason why ST is equal to TR. Okay, let's discuss this. We have to look at the information that were given. In the diagram, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So now, what can we get from that? Can we manage to get this? That ST is equal to TR? No. Then PS is produced to W. TR and TS. Oh, this is ST and TR. Are tangents to the circle at R and S respectively. This is very, very crucial. So what do you know about the tangents to the circle? We are saying ST is equal to TR because they are tangents from the same point. They are the tangents from the same point, or they are the tangents from a common point. Okay. Right, what do you know about the tangent from the same point? We're saying two tangents drawn to a circle from the same point outside the circle. Like here from T. T is a point outside the circle. Two tangents drawn to a circle from the same point outside the circle are equal in length. Please remember that. So that's the answer that we have. So this was just enough to write this or this. Okay, this one is just explanation here. I'm explaining that. So the reason was tangents from a common point or tangents from the same point. Right, we'll meet when we're doing question 9.2.1.